Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan R390 GTI by Hotwheels, and this is from their factory fresh series, as you can see here. So let's get it unboxed and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. This blue looks really good, but it's not that great, like the glittering blue. So just a basic Hot Wheels series, as you can see. It still has some good details to it. So the windows are transparent. The wheels are made of plastic. Hope you guys can see the interior a bit at least. So the headlights and taillights both are just painted. It's not like fiber or anything, and it doesn't have any suspension. Still, it's these are the basic Hot Wheels series. It's not premium end or anything. So that's it for today, guys. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.